Now, let's try to understand about some another aspects of Internet of Things. So, in this presentation, we will going to learn about how does the IoT work, its feature, advantages and disadvantages. So, how does the Internet of Things work? The working of Internet of Things is different for different IoT ecosystems. However, the concept of their working is similar. So you can see in this particular diagram that what are the basic components of Internet of Things. The entire working process of IoT starts with the devices themselves, such as smartphone, digital watches, electronics, appliances, which securely communicates with the IoT platform. The platform collects and analyze the data from all the multiple devices and transfers the most valuable data with the applications to the devices. So you can see over here there are different things of IoT. Things of IoT means it can be different sensors, it can be different actuators, or it can be different uh, ICs. Now they are a part of architecture of IoT. Now there are some gateways. Gateways means you are connecting those sensors to the Arduino Uno, you are connecting them to Raspberry Pi, you can connect them to Beagle board. So the things are connected inside this architecture to the gateways. Now over here, when we are talking about uploading the data, so the data has to be uploaded onto the cloud. In the very basic application of IoT, you are uploading the data from your computer to the Arduino Uno. But when it comes to the final IoT product, the cloud infrastructure is needed and the sending and receiving of the data happens through the network infrastructure. So these are the basic components of any Internet of Thing. So the features of IoT are, the first is connectivity. Now in connectivity, whatever devices that are becoming the part of the IoT infrastructure, there must be the establishment of a proper connection. After connecting the IoT devices, it needs a high speed messaging. So the connectivity of all the components, the things of IoT, the hardware that we require, then different cables we do require. We may require a breadboard also. We are also in the requirement of uh, Arduino programming application. So connectivity is the most important feature of IoT. Analyzing, real time analyzing the data collected and use them to build effective business intelligence. So because whatever data the sensor is collecting, for example the temperature sensor is collecting the current room temperature data, so that particular data has to be communicated to the Arduino board, so that using the program that you are writing, it will going to give you the signal that the temperature is below 25 degrees Celsius. So you can, for example, you can connect that particular sensor to some air conditioner, and then it may give the signal after analyzing that particular data that the AC should get turned off. Integrating. So the IoT integrating the various models to improve the user experience as well. Integration means mm, connecting each and every devices with proper communication. Artificial intelligence. So IoT makes the thing smart and enhances the life through the use of the data. So over here, artificial intelligence is the basic feature of IoT, because let's say we have the coffee machine whose beans are going to end. Then the coffee machine itself can order the coffee beans of your choice from the retailer. So this is the artificial intelligence that we are providing to our machine. Sensing. So see, the basic purpose of sensor is to detect and measure any change in the environment and report their status. It can be, for example, IR sensor. So it will going to detect that whether there is an obstacle or not. Active engagement. So active engagement between all the devices is very much needed, and endpoint management, because let's say the coffee machine have ordered the beans, right? And the uh, beans are taken by the person from the shop to your home, and at your home there is nobody available. So this is creating the this is actually collapsing the overall infrastructure. So endpoint management is an important part. Advantages. So of course any technology does not have the all the things that are good. There is always a gap. Now this is a good technology, right, that can help the other technologies to reach its accurate and complete 100% capability as well. So the advantages are efficient resource utilization. All the resources are properly utilized by the IoT infrastructure. Minimize the human efforts, as in case of example of that coffee making machine. It saves the time, enhances the data collection, and security is also there as far as the final IoT product is concerned. There are some disadvantages also. So the security, right? In terms of security, it leads to various kinds of network attack on your network infrastructure of IoT. Privacy, the IoT system provides the substantial personal data in the maximum detail. Complexity, the IoT systems are quite complicated. Thank you.